Look at, not only did I get to go, but I don't always have to drive, guys.
This is the first, isn't it?
Yeah.
Drive that.
Me not driving RV? And we're off
We're off to be sciencey.
to the Science Center.
Hope I can manage to
I'm thinking I always park and switch spots with me real fast if you have a problem. Pull across the other side. Stop.
Continue on Ontario Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
That's cool, huh? Yeah.
That is cool.
How could you sell a house like that?
You could.
And most of it, the days of Noah, social, oh, it's a religious thing.
Well, yeah, there's crosses and
Yeah, cool building.
looks like Chris in his mask.
Because of this museum?
Yeah, black bears are way bigger than this.
No,
Got
not
like
really.
a baby black bear.
Not really, Killia.
So our dogs are like black bears.
No, I mean, that's not as big as our dogs are. That's bigger than our
Well,
dog
our
a
fur's
little
pretty
bit.
big. His face got exploded.
Chimpanzee. That bat's kind of cool.
It's a fruit bat. Nah. Oh, wait, no, I was correct. It was a fruit bat.
Pretty peacock? Do you look like a peacock?
I do.
Woo.
Look at that baboon. That thing wants to eat your face.
Yeah, that baboon would eat your face.
Uh-huh.
I could tame him. Yeah, his face is as colorful as his butt.
They're vacuum.
Oh wow, look at that guy. He's cool.
I think masks are bad. How should I have to walk around with that on?
Actually, it's supposed to be a dream, so the sun doesn't.
It's a throated sloth skeleton. It's a sloth.
Oh,
Blinds. Look at his mom.
that's a sloth.
That's a sloth?
Well, look.
Look at his
The
claws.
card is always right by it. Tells you what it is.
Yeah. A walrus skull.
That a walrus?
That is a walrus skull.
Walrus. Good one.
Look at all those butterflies.
I know it. Isn't that something? Oh, and the different, there's some bugs, just regular bugs
Yeah,
in
there
there
is.
too.
Huh? I don't know. Let's start. Yeah, let's go in here and make our way around. Look at that guy. That's a skull. Snow leopard. There's the red panda. Right there. Discovering things, Isaiah. You guys make some good discoverers. Huh? The dodo? Dodo extinct. Okay. That's cool. Saber-tooth cat. I love the Triceratops. Another turtle shell right there? I don't know. Might be. There's 7. 6, 7. Oh no, it's that guy's head. Oh, it's that armor plated head of that thing.
Oh.
Crazy.
Alright, the history lesson. These things, right?
Yeah?
So, they don't have actual teeth, but their bones from their face go out to their thing.
Oh yeah.
And throughout the day, they naturally just open and close their mouth, and they sharpen their own teeth, or bone teeth.
Bone teeth.
They
Interesting.
became super sharp because they constantly all day would just open and close their mouths.
Huh, so they formed their own sharpness.
Yeah, and they just grew out, so they grew out super long and super sharp.
Interesting.
I learned it from a guy.
Oh yes. Well, thanks for the history lesson.
A guy who actually really liked this.
Look at that.
I don't want to go too far on the head top.
Look at that chicken with his feathers.
Come here.
Look at this thing.
I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way.
Oh, there's a right way? What is this? A clam?
A clam.
Giant clam. That's like what,
734 pounds.
that's what they find on Survivor.
Oh yeah. There's a new survivor.
I know, I told you.
I told you. I sent you a message when you were gone at work.
No, you told me there wouldn't be.
Season 40.
Who's always right?
And I even did the Paramount so you could watch it.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Oh, aren't you sweet? Are you sure it's not the one we already watched when we had that thing?
40? He looks
Yeah.
old.
We might have already watched that one.
Oh, Jeff looks old.
Maybe, we'll have to check it out. That's a... What is this?
The tail feathers alright.
That looks like a stretched out mummified cat.
That looks like a Killian. That is a cat.
Yeah, it says mummified cat, early 20th century.
Mummified cat in the early 20th century.
It was good luck. They put it in their wall.
Now they put it in their bases, right?
Kind of reminds me of, what was that museum, Bodies?
Yeah, Bodies. Bodies was cool. Is that the digestive system over there? At work?
Yeah, that worked.
Oh, it's your whole body, huh? Like a factory.
Somebody put a whole lot of work into that, didn't
That's
they?
cool. Look, there's your digesting.
Look at little guys up here thinking.
That's pretty cool.
Chewing. Yeah, it is. Right lung. Uh oh. Right lung's not doing so well. Left lung. The heart stopped. Oh, I see. There it goes. That is pretty cool.
There's my poor liver.
Yeah. That thing's pretty cool. Pretty cool skeleton they have here. Too bad this guy had to die and he doesn't move no more. After setting all my things all the way down and where they need to be, yeah, I'm right on average for your everything. Right on average.
I think.
Wow, look at her go. She's a much better surgeon than I am. Oh. You've got way more than I did.
One.
One.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go look at the other area. That's the thing I was just looking at on the screen over there. Tells you where it's carved from and everything. Oh, happy cows.
Happy cows. Cheerleader cows.
Look at this old statue.
There she died.
Oh yeah. Skeleton musician, huh? A hug. Just give him a big old hug. Huh? Hi there, bud. You're a little tall. Look at that guy's ears. No, the water buffalo? Yeah.
Killed more people than lions.
Uh-huh. There's snake skin. When you're on the Great Plains, you never know when there'll be a few ladders for you to lay underneath. Look, there's another one of those sloths.
I assure you.
Hi, kitty. You like you could be out here. That's a big old turtle. Yep. Yeah, it is. I bet that's an expensive little gem.
There's no information on it or nothing.
That'd be fun to find those.
Yeah.
I've read about it before. How to.
Oh, how awesome.
That is weird.
That was Oh man.
They can land over there. I'll make you an island, April.
Oh man.
Oh, turn that one.
Very strange. Oh, look at the thing on the top. Here's your hands, COVID hands.
There's April Island.
Says, do not use your hands.
Oh, well.
Florida, Panhandle, all that.
Make something. Isn't that awesome?
Oh, look at that. It gets weird when it's there with the water. You're not deep enough. Yeah. What do you got going on over here?
Man, you got a volcano. Happening.
You get like more red, like 1.5 up
That's a sandbox for adults.
Mount St. Helens.
I wish I could see bugs like that. A big bug. That flea.
That's an ant.
That's a flea.
Oh, that's gutted. What is an
The whole thing was.
That's supposed to be in the elevators.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we
It's
are.
natural.
You freaked out there, Mom?
He's on camera.
Oh.
What do you do over here? Just put
Push the buttons.
and make planets go.
Let's see how big they are compared to the city.
Ah. What about Neptune? What does this do?
It tells you your weight. Go to Jupiter, Dad. Look how many G's it is. It's like double plus 545 pounds. That's how much Dad would weigh.
Oh, yeah.
All the other planets make you weigh less.
Uh-huh.
Well, maybe except for a few. Well, maybe the diameter.
87 pounds, huh? Yeah? Mercury on the way,
Look
87
at
pounds.
Dad, you're skinny. A little bit less than your actual weight. See? So Dad weighs something like 20, 30, 20.
I don't want to weigh more. That's more.
Go to Pluto or Neptune.
That's where I just was.
Oh, well then you want to go to this planet.
No, I don't. Stop pushing buttons on my planets. Let's find out how much I weigh on Earth.
Yeah, I weigh 146 with all this stuff on.
That's crap. That's not what I weigh. I weigh myself regular.
I weigh myself. And I weigh...
You're rocking at me? Ah. Stupid, right? I think my wife needs supervised by adults. Whoa, you hit the camera. You gotta put it the other way. Woo!
Firing out. Missile brigade.
You like that too much. And then shoot at me. That's how far away from we are from the sun, April. 94 million miles.
Good handling.
Why aren't they both running?
Sea wipes.
Now let's see what your movie looks like, Joanne.